Hello.
Hello.
Can you tell us about yourself?
Okay. My name is Jialin Jiang, and from China. Currently, I'm studying master degree of civil engineering in UOW. And before I came to Australia, I had studied the same major for 4 years, and obtained a master degree. And during the time in university in China, I completed a set of the courses like the principle of reinforcement concrete, steel structure design, and the construction method. Apart from that, I'm also proficient in relevant construction design, construction design, construction design software, including AutoCAD and 3D Max. As for university marks, I got a high distinction, average marks over 75%. And before I started my master degree, I spent 1 year in China for working in a construction site and as an assistant civil engineer. During that time, not only I learned a lot of practical working experience, like how to handle the complicated situation and diverse problems, but also I learned some networking skills, just like how to communicate with different people in different ways, and how to collaborate with other colleagues in workplace, which is very important as well. So that's why I'm very confident that I'm able to complete this job.
It's okay?
It's okay. That's all.
Okay. Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or productive outcome?
Okay. I still remember at the last semester of my university in China, all of engineering students are required to complete and pass the graduation project so that we will be eligible to get uh, the bachelor degree. Most of students were doing their project according to the sample report given by our tutor, and which actually provide a short course because it's really helpful and saves a lot of much time. However, at that time, the project requirement was a little bit different from the previous ones. So that means we can't just do the project according to the sample, but we also need to search the relevant reference book and like professional books and the civil engineering code in library by ourselves to solve the complicated and issue that we hadn't met before. And so I have to say it's really a time-consuming process, but because we spend a lot of time day and night at the library, made a lot of efforts, but anyway, it's really worth. Finally, we find finally I found that what I need and solve the engineering problems by using mathematical way, and I completed the project on time and with a high distinction. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. This position requires you to work in a small team with people from diverse backgrounds. Can you describe a time where you have worked in a team effectively?
Okay. Yeah. I still remember at the first semester of in University of Wollongong, I had a lecture named Innovation and Design, and in this lecture we were required to work with other international students with different cultural backgrounds from different countries, and my team consists of two Indian guys and one Iranian guys, and to be honest, I really had a tough time at the beginning, and one reason is that my English is not good enough to talk with them sometimes, especially my English, listening English, and sometimes I couldn't even catch their words, and I couldn't understand what they are talking about. Besides, our different working style and working habits was also a problem. Anyway, both of these two issues made a negative impact on our cooperation, and it had to be solved as soon as possible. So, for making sure we are able to complete our project efficiently and effectively, I suggest that we should make a room to hold a regular group meeting every week. And the second way to increase the efficiency is allocating the task based on individual skills. And anyway, as a result, we completed our report 5 days ahead of the due date, and got a great marks. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Our company is known for managing multiple projects, resolving a diverse range of problems. Can you give us an example of when you have worked to make a process or situation better or more efficient? And what did you do, and what was the outcome?
Okay. Uh, in 2014, my construction company sent me and my teammate to Xinjiang province in China, which was located in the northwest of China, and most of my teammates are from middle part of China, that is really far away from our workplace, and there was few time off for us to go home to visit our family, and which really breaks the balance between the family and the working time. Apart from that, we are were not allowed to leave the construction site freely, because it was unsafe outside of the construction site. Yeah, and sometimes even the terrorist attack even occurs, and innocent people may get hurt and get attacked. And so gradually my teammates cannot feel any sense of security, and all the construction site was guarded by the National Army, and after a period of time we gradually become very homesick and anxious about safety. My teammates started to get tired of this job and work in very low efficiency. I know it's time to take some actions to stop these negative emotions spreading. And first of all, I advised that the company to purchase more entertainment tools like poker cards and chess and sport tools, in order to enrich teammates' spare time and let them forget them home temporarily. And secondly, I contact the local government and ask them to prolong the number of armed police, and prolong the patrolling time, and increase the number of the armed police at last, but not least. As a teammate, I successfully applied the additional subsidy for my home teammates for working in such workplace. So in the end, I lead my team back to the normal and efficient work condition and finish our mission on time with success. Yeah, that's all.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes. Uh, yes, I was wondering that. Firstly, I want to know that whether we have the holidays every week. I mean, not on because it's very important to stay with my family and friends, even though the workload is very heavy, but I still value my family and friends. And secondly, I think uh, I I I don't know a lot about the position and don't know much about this position, so could you please introduce more about this position for me, and like the part one, I'm responsible in a team or a project. Last but not least, how much can I how much can I get when there are no work to do and there are a lot of work to do, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.